Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Moto E6 Plus. Okay, so in this video I will be doing a hardware test on this device. This test is very useful if you've just bought the phone and you want to test that everything is working, all the functions are working the way they're supposed to, fresh out of the box. If everything's not working, then you can return the device within the warranty period and get a refund or even get a replacement handset. So yeah, this device comes with a useful application that will help you test the hardware. So here it is, it's Moto Help. And here we have the option device diagnosis, hardware performance test, and hardware test. So you can run a full test. These are all the things it's going to test. It's going to test the display, touchscreen, flash, front camera, rear camera, proximity sensor, speaker, receiver, microphone, audio connection, Bluetooth, volume button, vibration, battery, Wi-Fi, and mobile network. So you can run a full test, or you can just test them individually. So I'm going to test them individually. So during this test, your screen will turn red, green, then blue. Tap the screen to begin. Did your screen turn red, then green and blue? Yes. So it's working properly. Test complete. Okay, so now we're going to test the touchscreen. Okay, so we're just going to test the input here to see if the screen recognizes each touch. And as you touch, those grey squares turn blue. Okay, working properly. Complete. So we can move on to the next test. So now we're going to test the flash. So tap the icon above, check if the flash is illuminated. Yep. Flash is working good. Working properly, complete. Okay, front facing camera. Hello. Front facing camera is working properly. Test complete. Let's move on to the next test. Test the rear camera. Okay, so the rear camera is working properly as well. Test complete. Proximity sensor. Yeah, it changes. So it's working properly. Test complete. Now let's test the speaker.
Hello, Moto.
Did you hear the ringtone? Yes. Working properly. Test complete. Receiver. During the test, the ringtone will play at a maximum volume through the receiver. Do you want to continue?
Hello, Moto.
Did you hear the ringtone? Yes. Status working properly. Test complete. Microphone. Move to a quiet environment and then tap OK to start recording. After 3 seconds, your recording will play back. Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor. Subscribe to my channel. Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor. Can you hear the recording? Yes. Status working properly. Complete. Okay, audio connection. I don't have a headset at the moment, so I can't test this. Volume button. Press the up and down volume button does the volume bar. Move in the direction you expect. Yep, it's going up and down. Status working properly. Test complete. Let's move on to the next. Vibration. Press and hold the icon above. Did your device vibrate? Okay, so the vibration is working really well. It's quite powerful as well. Okay, so yes, status working properly. Test complete. Okay, the battery test. Battery condition good. Got the temperature there. Test complete. Okay, Wi-Fi test. Connected. Test complete. Got a green little tick there, so Wi-Fi is good. Mobile network. Connected. Test complete. Mobile network's working good. Bluetooth. Okay, I think I need another device for this. Let me just turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, let's try the Bluetooth again. Okay, so it's connected. Available devices. DL501. That's this phone here. So Bluetooth is working good. Got a nice little green tick there. Test complete. And the last test, GPS. GPS needs at least 4 satellites to calculate location accurately. There may be physical barriers. Okay, 0 satellites are connected with your GPS receiver. So, as you can see, all those tests are working really well. Like I said, I couldn't really test the audio headphone jack because I don't have any headphones at the moment. But so far, everything seems to be working perfectly well, fresh out of the box. Like I said, this is a really cool test just to make sure that your device is in working order. If it's not in working order, if some of these aren't working, well, you could probably try do a factory reset on your phone to see if that fixes any issues. If a factory reset doesn't work, then I highly recommend just bringing the device back to the store and either getting your money back or getting a replacement handset. Let me just have another look at this help application. So you can also have a look at your CPU usage. I know there's apps what you can download from the Play Store to get this information, but it's just nice that this application has all of that, and you can test everything and check everything through this one application. So it's very useful. So that's the current frequency usage, max frequency, minimum frequency, CPU 8 cores. And here you get a look at the RAM usage, and you have your storage here, your IME information. You can also check your warranty status as well using Moto. Okay, so mine's still in warranty. So yeah, this was just well, not really a quick video, it's over 10 minutes long, but this is a video showing you how you can test for hardware on your brand new Moto E6 Plus. Let me know if you ran the test on your device. Let me know what your results were. Was everything working fine? Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next video. Deuces.